Make a great choice today with the 2019 Audi S3. The Audi S3 comes standard with the Quattro all-wheel drive system and offers the control that you'd expect out of it. Couple the control with the power the Audi S3 provides, and you have a vehicle that is truly a joy to drive. Take a seat inside the S3 and you'll see an interior that's refreshingly simple, yet extremely refined. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.